Today, we're touring my dad's mansion. A lot of people on social media have been asking for a tour. And finally, today's the day. Welcome to another episode of Mansion Tour with Stunner. But this time, I'm showing you around my dad's place. Hey guys, I'm Reave Owoo. Welcome to my dad's mansion. I'll be giving you a full tour today. The house isn't completely finished yet, but when it's done, we'll definitely do another video. So make sure you like and subscribe so you don't miss the final version. But trust me, what I'm about to show you is jaw-dropping. Let's start from the fence. My dad is a big fan of art. You can tell from the scriptures and artworks all over the wall. Welcome to my lovely home. As you can see, there's still some work going on. It's a 2-story building. And honestly, I don't even know how many bedrooms are in this mansion. We've got a fountain in the compound. It's not working yet, but it will be soon. The compound is super spacious. We've got like 7 to 8 cars parked right now, and there's still plenty of space. We used red brick tiles for the flooring because they're strong. Once construction is done and everything is cleaned up and polished, it's going to look amazing. One thing that makes this mansion really special, we've got a factory right here on the property. We'll check out the residential part soon. But yeah, we've got machines, fridges, freezers, even a drainage system. When it's fully set up, production will start right here. Now, let's go inside the main mansion. This area right here is supposed to be a pool, but we're still deciding. Maybe it'll be a huge aquarium or just a chill zone with a nice fountain. We initially closed this place, but we are changing the style. Let me show you one of the bedrooms. Obviously, I can't show all the rooms in this video, but at the end, I'll take you to the highest point of the building for the best view. Right now, we're on the first floor. Look at the view from here. Check out these long columns. And over there is a chill area with a bar, all designed with handcrafted golden tiles. Even the columns inside the house have the same golden design. Welcome to one of the bedrooms. As you can tell, we love gold. The bathroom design is super unique, and I personally love having plants in my room. There's also a lot of art decor everywhere. Now we're on the second floor, and this view is one of my favorites. Especially in the morning when I wake up, I love coming here just to relax and get inspired. But my absolute favorite part of the mansion, this open roof bar, it's still under construction, but I already love it. If you want to see the finished version of the house, don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow me on Instagram and TikTok. Links are in the description. And of course, Stunnerhomes is still your go-to platform for luxury homes. Follow them on all social media. See you in the next video. Bye.